I'm gonna make a matcha drink with this matcha powder. Milo sa baba. I have this milk, the Milo powder, the matcha powder, and the ice. Okay, let's get started! So yun, mag-add lang ako ng Milo. Yung ibang cup. Now I'm gonna open 2 sachets of the matcha powder. And this powder. It's kind of messy. Now again here. You know what this is? It's an ice molder. We're going to push the ice and then we're putting it here. Yeah. Look. And then we're putting milk. See that? Taste test. Sarap. Sarap. Best. I didn't put any sugar at all because nagbabawas ako sa matamis na yun. Pero matamis yung selecta na milk and then matamis din yung Milo. So, yeah, okay naman wala siyang sugar for me. Bye!